你们好，我们今天开始讲第9课，买东西，买 to buy 东西 things stuff，so buy stuff go shopping 这是我最喜欢的一课 ，so this is my favorite chapter。好，我喜欢这一课，因为我们讲很多的颜色，这些都是颜色。我们有绿色，我们有蓝色，我们还有黄色，那么我们也有红色，红色。好，you probably heard the Chinese speakers when they speak in English, they will always say something like green color, yellow color. Why they have to add that color? Well, you guys usually just would say yellow, green, blue. It's because in Chinese language, oftentimes when we describe 颜色, a color, a kind of 颜色, a kind of color, we would use a disyllabic word like 绿色、蓝色、黄色、红色。好，那么比如说你问问你自己traffic lights 都是什么颜色呢？ Traffic lights 信号灯有红色、黄色还有绿色。那么 in your life, what is blue? 什么是蓝色的？比如天 the sky, of course when the weather is good, 天是蓝色的。海 the sea or the ocean 是蓝色的。好，那我们再接着看黑色，这个是黑色黑色，比如说你们有黑色星期五，11月你们有黑色星期五，在黑色星期五很多人去买东西。So a lot of people during 黑色星期五 Black Friday, they will go shopping, 对吗？你们去吗？好，那么我们还有咖啡色，我们都知道咖啡，对不对？咖啡，那么这个是咖啡色。这个女孩子穿的衣服 we're going to learn this word in this chapter, 衣服 clothes。 好，那么她的衣服是咖啡色的。好，那我们接着往下看，白色，这件 T 恤衫 this is a new word we're going to learn from this chapter as well. T 恤衫，这是 T 恤衫，这件 T 恤衫是白色的。好，那我们学了这些颜色，我问你，你喜欢什么颜色？我喜欢蓝色，我也喜欢绿色。你呢？你喜欢什么颜色？好，那我们看下一个，你喜欢穿什么颜色的衣服？ Again, this is a new word. We're going to officially introduce it at my next video. 好，衣服是 clothing 那么 what kind of in terms of your clothing, what kind of color do you like? 你喜欢穿什么颜色的衣服？我喜欢穿白色的衣服，我也喜欢穿咖啡色和黑色的衣服。你们呢？Color is actually a very interesting thing because different cultures may have different representations or interpretations, even we're talking about the same color. So let me give you some examples. How would you call this kind of sugar? Brown sugar, right? Now, what about this kind of tea? Black tea, right? Now, for Chinese, this kind of sugar, we don't call them brown sugar, we call them 红糖 糖 sugar, 红 you have just learned what is 红 right red so we call it red sugar 好你们知道这是茶 so in English you would say black tea 黑茶 but in Chinese we call the same kind of tea 红茶 now before my parents visited us some years ago and my husband tried to buy some very elegant lanterns from IKEA but I was like are you mad you don't want to buy these lanterns because my parents would be very very upset why is that white 白色 in Western culture it's a color you can use in wedding like the bride's wedding gown is a very beautiful color Chinese people we love white however in funerals white is a color which is used to show respect to the dead people that is why, especially for senior people like my parents, they would think this is not a good luck if you put some IKEA white lanterns in the house. Okay. Now, yellow is another interesting color. In Chinese, yellow could represent this. Okay, so that is why in Chinese, yellow jokes, 黄色笑话,笑话 is jokes. Yellow jokes means dirty jokes. Don't make jokes like that. Okay. Now, if there's any taboo next time when you travel to China in terms of gifts, if you want to give someone a nice gift, if this is a boy or this is a man, please remember never give a boy or a man a green hat. This is really, you should not do it. It's because in Chinese, 戴绿帽子,戴 means to wear. Okay, to wear a hat, to wear a green hat actually means it's very insulting for a man because that means the man's wife is cheating on him. Okay, actually, this face I used here, he's a popular Chinese actor, and his wife actually had an affair with another man, and then they divorced, and some mean people just made fun of him and put the screen hat on his face and post it online. That's a mean thing to do. So I have to say sorry. Wang Baoqiang is this actor's name. But I would just use example to explain to you. You should just not give a green hat as a gift to a Chinese man or Chinese boy. Please remember that. Okay. We all know Chinese people love 红色。好，你看，这是 Chinese wedding，红色。好，so 新娘 the bride 穿红色，新郎 the groom also 穿红色。好 ，so 红色 Chinese people 很喜欢红色。那么 in our language，红色 could mean the color red could also be used as an adjective. 比如说for example, Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift 很红。Taylor Swift 很红. What does that mean? Taylor Swift is very red? No, that actually means Taylor Swift is very popular. So 红 is used as an adjective, could mean someone or something is very popular. Some TV shows, I don't know, what do you guys watch? if you want to say this TV show is very popular, you could say blah blah TV show 很红。好，好 red could also be used as a verb in a sentence like Taylor Swift 红了。Taylor Swift became red. That means Taylor Swift became popular. 好，那 although 中国人喜欢红色 Chinese people love red, but it doesn't mean red always carries the very positive connotation. It never happened with this class, but in the past, some of my students, time to time, they either submitted their homework in red, written in red, or when I asked them to write a letter, they would write in red. Please remember, in Chinese culture, if you write a letter or if you type a letter, please never use red. It's because if you do so, that basically means you don't want to be friend with this person anymore. And it's a very, it's actually considered rude to do this. And you should never submit your homework in red to your teacher because the teacher would reserve the right to use the red ink when the teacher correct your homework, but as a student you should never do that to your teacher because that's what considered not polite, an impolite thing to do. Although these days I try not to use red when I correct my students' homework. I try to use different colors because I think red could be a little scary sometimes. So I try to avoid that. But for you, just to remember in Chinese culture, no red for a letter, no red for homework. Well, that's all for today. 我们下次再见，谢谢。